How to use Probe Modifier in Davinci Resolve. With playhead above your video, go to the Fusion page. Bring a color corrector node after Media in node and release it when the line turns blue. Right-click on the hue and choose Modify with Probe. Now the Modifiers tab is enabled, click on it to open it. Here we need an image to probe with. Instead of an image, here we can use a fast noise node. Bring a fast noise node and increase detail, scale, contrast, and seethe rate and decrease brightness to achieve your desired look. Here we want some white parts of this fast noise. Select the Color Corrector node and click on Modifiers tab. Click and drag fast noise to the image to probe input. In the Value tab, set black value to 1 and white value to 1.5. Now the hue property of that color corrector node will change at the time these white parts of this fast noise are showing. We set black value to 1 because we didn't want color corrector to be affected by black parts of fast noise. For faster animation, you can select fast noise and change seethe rate.